Hi everyone, I'm Anson. It's your light industry king. So today I want to introduce you the new project at Batu Kawan. This is the 3-story detached light industry. If you're looking for the half-acre land with a build-up about 15,000, so this is the right property you are looking for. So this is the light industry. The width is about 56, the build-up. So the length is about 148 square feet. This new project, we are offer you very good package. We are free all the legal fees, SPA loan and MOT. So total worth about 700,000. This is the actual build out. Once you complete, you can see this, the width. Width is about 56. The length is about 168. Then other than that, we also provide you is a 2 amp electric supply. And the floor loading, we will give you 2 tons. This ceiling height, we also giving you 41 feet. So other than that, we also free you for this upgrading for the wall. The wall is about 20 square feet. Then other than that, we also have this motorized roller shutter. It's about 16 feet times 16 feet. This is the office area. So this is the entrance to the office. For this 3-story detached light industry, you can fix lift at here and then go to the 3rd floor. So here is the 2 toilets at the 1st floor. 1st floor and 2nd floor also have, each floor have the 2 toilets. The office area is about, the width about 56, the length about 40 square feet. So it's very huge office area. This office ceiling height is about 3.5 meters. So this have the natural lighting at your units. Hi all the bosses. If you're looking for 3-story detached light industry selling 9 million over, you can looking for me and click below link. I will bring you to view the actual unit.